Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add a arrow to your CapCut videos. So initially you want to make sure that you're on the main menu, right? And the way you do that is if you have a clip selected, you want to press the bottom left arrow to the left. So we press on that and now we're back to the main menu. Now you're going to press on text and then you're going to press on stickers. And now you are where the arrows are and you can just press any arrow you'd like. Let's do this one. And now we're going to press on the check mark. And now the arrow is in our timeline. So what we can do is we can bring it down and increase the size. This is so funny. And we can elongate it, right, to fit the entirety of the clip by pressing the end of the arrow animation and bringing it all the way to the entirety of the clip. And now we can just press play. And now we've added the arrow. Guys, if this video is helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.